I think it's high time we put you in one. So here's the deal. Somebody on this tram is a hidden witness, and Owen Shaw is out to get you. So we're going to pull into this garage, and hopefully the people we find here are going to be able to keep us safe. In the meantime, I do want to remind you to pull the red cord in case of an emergency, hang on to your belongings, stay seated, keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. I know, folks, I'm going to check in with the people who run this garage, and hopefully they'll be able to tell us what's going on and how they're going to be able to keep us safe.
Pleased to meet you. Our buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while, so we brought you in our secret spot.
Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
Now, I don't know if you can hear it all the way in the last car, folks, but there is a party going on in the next room. We just got word from the bouncer that they're going to let us in, so go ahead and get your dancing shoes on, and let's get ready to party!
What we doing? This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Bill?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
That ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of this.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
All right, folks, go ahead and put on your 3D glasses now. They need you to double as safety goggles. We're going to pull into this parking garage. Gosh, I hope the Dominus crew know what they're doing, and they're going to be able to keep us safe. I mean, it's just a parking garage. Nothing bad's ever happened in a parking garage, right?
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
Move!